Hi guys, welcome to another vlog.
What's up, guys? What's up?
So, Russian Wally Vlogs people, big up on yourself. So today we're in Toronto and we're at Pacific Mall. Reason being, phone mash up, LCD crack.
Girl, shell out our phone, people.
So I was advised at work that I can check out this place. I think them say it's a Chinese dominated place because I beer ching chang chang chang.
Guys, we're on the border of Scarborough and Markham.
Yeah.
So you're gonna see a lot of Chinese and so on.
Right, someone see if I can get my phone fixed today. We could see how it all go now. So just watch where I go on. You see the mall? Wait there. I saw my short.
No, you're tall.
Yeah, me tall. So the name of it is Pacific Mall. So if you're there in a Toronto area or GTA, you need your phone fixed.
It's the first time we're being on this mall. First
Yes.
time we're going on this mall.
So hopefully me get it fixed. So if you have an accident, you can come fix your phone too.
You don't know yet if you'll get your phone.
Then I tell them from what I've heard. Alright? So just sit back and relax and let me see if me need my phone. God knows.
What you feeling? What a rushing flight and nearly run late. Alright guys, so I called wifey today and wifey was so miserable, guys. Trust me. We get so much bad vibes, attitude, you know, because our phone out. She can't get to check our messages, do nothing. So you don't know, guys, so I get the phone up and running.
Everybody must be saying I don't have your manners.
This particular sticky chop is still in the boat. Yeah guys, we're gonna get the stuff running today, you know, so we can get wifey mode up.
You pets alone? What you should do with your pet?
Oh, you know, my suspect I saw the mall with a look.
Your suspects are
Remind me of one of those smaller malls.
It look like the mall in Malta.
Yes, it remind me of Malton Mall. Yeah. So guys, when you look at things, you should be able to get a good deal here.
Let's check around first.
Can walk around the mall first too.
Phone here. Repair store next door. Okay.
It's crazy. Look like I can get every little stuff down here. Yeah.
Here for $13 and $18.
Well, maybe you go peep in that barber shop first. Guys, a $25 for a haircut, and right now I see $13, $18 for a haircut, so that's not bad.
This is a phone shop.
Where?
I think we come this way.
Oh, okay. So the phone shop, guys, is right beside
And you have one with your phone doctor.
the barber shop. Oh, it's a female. Oh, only women. Only women get their hair cut here, right? Cut men here too? What about fade? You fade here too? Like, you fade the side too? Like, no? Fade, like that? Like this? Like something similar to these? Can you do that?
So you feel the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or just only on the side?
Yeah, I'm just checking. Not today, I'm just checking.
Oh, okay, yeah. Anytime
Yeah?
you can come back. Yeah.
Thanks. No? How much is that? 160 for the parts and everything?
Do you fix someone here?
Guys, wifey is there checking out prices.
Okay, alright.
They just give her a big price.
Boy, and that's our fee.
Huh?
160. Alright.
160? Fork out your money.
Every time I go buy a phone.
Yeah. 160 there for and then
How much
plus.
man did I say?
Him did say 130, but him say him could I get for like 90 something. Could I get a half brand screen for 90 something, but the original is like 120, 130.
Them good, them have enough case though.
Yeah, them have some really nice cases.
Only case yourself.
He's gonna check.
160.
Also, it's a standard price.
You look so. We did it, please. Oh, so around there.
Alright guys, so we're heading off the mall. Price that we're hearing is ridiculous, right?
They might get China price. Them not have China price.
Yeah, so we are going to our guy, right? Which we should have do from morning.
But you them recommend me, I love cheapness.
Yeah, we here say Chinatown and do it cheap, but Chinatown expensive guys. So we're gonna head to Richmond Hill and get it done for like 30% to 40% cheaper guys. So
Yeah.
watch out, we're gonna take you on a tour. Going on the highway.
People who not come down here, they see people and then crab it bad enough.
Oh, there's Steels and what? Oh, so we're at Steels and Kennedy guys. That's in Scarborough, and where's Scarborough? Borders Markham. Right?
Yeah. So guys, we're at Milliken Markham.
Left turn ahead onto
It
Harvest Mall Drive.
resembles Toronto, don't you?
Yeah, this
Some-
guy is Toronto.
Yeah, but some of the schemes they
This
here.
side of there, Markham, there's a left turn here.
Mhm.
I think that's what they say. Left turn there, top. Oh, instead of being
In
back
about
on the
400
main road.
meters,
Okay.
left turn onto Putnam Gate. Then, in 100 meters, right turn.
Maybe I'll bring my right turn onto Steels.
Well, for the most part, I'm
Right
disappointed
turn ahead
because
onto
the place
Steeles
was
Avenue
highly
East.
recommended and I'm gonna get my phone fixed. So we're on the way now back to Richmond Hill. We got a price quote, but of course I think we could have beat it. But everybody want to fix the LCD here, so for 160, 170, 175 too. But only thing I get it back same time, and guess what? They might use it. I think they are using the China parts. Where I'm going, I'm gonna get what kind of parts, Jeremy?
Yeah, the original parts.
The original, and I'm gonna possibly get it for 135 or 130, and I'll get it back tomorrow. So now I have to just wait a day instead of getting it instant. So I'm gonna save what? How much at
$35.
Yeah, I can go buy something to eat
And where you're going to fix the phone now is like 5 minutes from your home. So you're not
Yeah.
driving, you know.
I just wish me they give them it
Saturday.
Yeah.
Saturday.
But
yeah.
such is life.
Such is
Please, not drop on a phone. Because you know, so the screen not break is just the LCD. It's just weird. The screen not crack nothing. The LCD break.
damage, yeah.
Yeah, it's just weird. No, for those who send me Mother's Day greeting, I think me never send no. I not have no phone. That's why. So your girl still have manners. It's just that me not have no phone to respond or to send you. right? So we're heading back now, so I'll see you. So guys, we're heading to Richmond Hill.
In Richmond Hill you find a greater mixture of people in Richmond Hill, you know. In Markham it's just fully Chinese.
Yeah,
you will see other groups there, but Markham 99% Chinese. Richmond Hill, you see Chinese, you see Persians, you see Africans, you see Jamaicans, you see people from Turkey, Afghanistan, you know.
But seeing a lot of Chinese isn't really a bad thing, you know. Let me explain why I said that. Because the Chinese people, they are known. They like to settle in places where have the best schools. So the highest ranked schools have more Chinese people living there because they want their kids to go to the school. So don't let it be a deterrent.
But socially it can be a deterrent.
2 kilometers, exit number
because they socialize
31
differently.
on your right.
Of course.
Left turn
Most
at
people,
the end of the road.
Not discriminating, but they socialize differently. So that's a job out there. But as it relates to housing and so on, house, they take care of them house.
Yeah.
Yeah, them take care of them house. So, and of course they want their kids to get the best education. So as it relates to living somewhere that maintain good property value, and for your child to have a good education, the Chinese communities are good to live in. But as it relates to your social life, yeah, you might get a job out there.
Yeah.
So in Richmond Hill now, you get that mixture, Chinese and obviously, you know, Caribbean people there as well.
You have Caribbean, but we are still minority in Richmond Hill. The dominant race are Persian and Chinese.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
And as you go up north, or more up north, you see like the original Canadian are a mixture.
Alright, so coming out the highway,
400 meters.
exit 31.
Left turn at the end of the road.
Make a left turn
onto
on Major Mackenzie.
Drive East.
Alright.
Left turn at the end of the road onto Major Mackenzie Drive East.
Hey guys, finally back in our place, you know. Feel comfort. This is our comfort zone. You know, everybody love what they're used to, you know. You have to love, you know, where you're used to. That's the thing. Makes you feel happy.
Old broom sweep kinda better.
Old broom sweep kinda great. Tired one.
Hungry.
Get some sleep, eat some food, guys, you know. Leave work. Left work, come on the road, start driving around. I don't know, Sunday is a day where, you know, we clean up, so on. You know, so we did a lot of work yesterday.
Who else finds Sundays a bit challenging? Can't go to my bed early on Sunday now, no matter how I try. No matter how I start early.
Yeah,
I always end up go to my bed late and tired Monday. I have the Monday blues every
Monday are the hardest day of work. Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesdays are one of the nicest days, you know. Because you don't start
Friday
the week
my
already.
best day.
Yeah.
Friday.
But sometimes on Friday I try to close off stuff if you not carry over another weekend. If you go work on weekends like me, yeah, try to make sure because all weekend busy. So you try to finish the stuff where you have to do in the week during the week, so you can just run off the thing on a Saturday. Alright, but anyhow, it's close by. We're in the plaza, but this is not the one. This is not the right one. It's the one beside this plaza. Yeah, guys, this side you can get every little Chinese food, a Subway, and all of that. But we are drive go by and I'll wrap up this quickly. So yeah, we're on the famous Yonge Street.
But then it's about Yonge Street. It's the longest road.
I think in the whole world.
The whole world because it's so weird.
Me know say alright, me know it's the longest street in all of North America. We know that for sure.
Right turn ahead onto Bernard Avenue. Then, in about 300 meters, right turn.
McDee's. Alright, so close by. See if we can wrap up this evening.
I'm gonna miss my
Right
phone.
turn ahead onto Yorkland Street.
My phone I go sleep out.
Yeah, hopefully get it back tomorrow, man. Because I'm going with. Alright guys, pulling up to the spot. We are at Cell Phone Repair Center.
Here.
Alright. My man, what's going on?
I'm good, how are you, man?
I'm not putting you on camera, don't worry about it. Alright? I don't want you to get famous. Alright, so this is my guy here. He's a good guy. You know? Sure, just your hands. Yes, I'm gonna check out the stuff, you know.
This is 5G, I think.
He's gonna,
Yes, 5G.
guys, he's gonna fix it for free. This guy here, that's what he's gonna do.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. What's the phone number?
What's the phone number?
647.
Okay. And you have a password on this?
Yeah.
What's the password?
What's your password? Let the world hear your password.
90.
And then we get it done for you by tomorrow.
Okay.
So by tomorrow we're good?
So by tomorrow.
This
you can-
time we should be able to pick up?
Yes.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Sure.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
You good?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
I
But
miss
hold
my
on.
phone.
So it was
135.
135, right? Part and labor, everything. It was the original one?
Oh, yeah, yes.
Alright, thank you so much, alright? Really appreciate it. I'm gonna bring another phone for you to look at.
Okay.
Alright.
All right.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's sorted out by the sun in our face. Wow, what a pretty little monkey. But guys, so it's good to go now. Phone is fixed. Well, phone should be fixed by tomorrow. Right? Thanks for traveling this journey with us. Or thanks for just, you know, watching what's going on with Russian Wally Vlogs. And
If you need your phone fixed, you can check Cellular Repair Center in Richmond, Kel.
and trust me guys, sometimes when you hear some place cheap, them just live off a name. You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes you go some simple little place. Like if you're in Jamaica and you hear say boy, go downtown to buy a particular type of sneakers. You might go downtown and you see it for 13 grand. And you might go uptown, Half Tree, close to Pavilion, and you might get it for even
That's
maybe
true.
10 grand. Trust
That's
me.
happened to me
So
enough
sometimes you have some places living off name.
Yeah.
Right? So it's always good to shop around, guys. To save $35, $30. It's also
I'm
good.
getting
That's
the
a meal.
original and there.
And you're getting the original screen, the original
Yeah.
LCD, guys. So that's a good thing, guys. So anyhow, we turn the wrong way because the sun in our eye. Turn this way. No, but the lighting is bad. So anyhow, guys, we're out. See you next time. Tomorrow we'll show you when we're picking up the phone.
Don't drop your phone.
Yeah, guys. So tomorrow you'll see us again when we're picking up the phone. Okay? Thanks for
Remember,
watching.
don't drop your phone.